Hello YouTube, and welcome back to another video. I wanted to start off with thanking you so much for watching my content, for liking, subscribing, and for really engaging in the content. As of recording, we have 76 subscribers, and you all mean the world to me. So thank you so much for following me on my journey. And I wanted to take this video as the capstone to this round of Motion Canvas content, to talk a little bit about the channel, why it's here, where we're going, and to really thank you guys, everyone really. I made this channel, Tomko Tech, because I noticed that there was a lack of content out there to show what it's really like to program. Programming online has really been glamorized by having all of these different developers not really showing the struggles, but just showing you the end product and going either way over your head or someone's head that's new to it, or not giving enough information. Like, there's a lot of issues with the videos out there nowadays. Very rarely are they really well done. So I wanted to fill that space to really give people the information that they need to know to go from nowhere to being a brilliant programmer themselves. My background is I am a senior system software engineer that specializes in back-end infrastructure. So we're talking about Kubernetes, Docker, Node.js, back-end APIs, API gateways, Kafka, AWS, that kind of stuff. My weak areas are React, UI-based things. So this year I've been learning that. And as part of that, I wanted to make videos recording my progress. So I stumbled upon Motion Canvas. Yes, I knew about other tools like Remotion and Manum. However, Motion Canvas really seemed like the best one of the three for my use case. Plus, I wanted to have one tool. I didn't want to have to install any Adobe type program. So Motion Canvas came with an online UI editor, and so, or at least viewer, and that really worked well for what I needed. And so here we are. I wanted to record my journey of learning something new, and that is why the Motion Canvas series is here on my channel. And then after this video, my plan is to work on some content to show from the ground up what it takes to be a developer. I'm not going to start with a programming language. I'm not going to start with programming concepts. I'm going to start with the most fundamental part of programming, which is version control. And so I'm going to start with Git, essentially. And I'm going to go really in depth into what is Git, how to use it, all the different commands. And so by watching my entire course, you'll be able to go from knowing nothing about Git to now knowing everything there is to know about Git and everywhere in between. This series is going to take me a little bit longer to create. There's going to be more professional. The Motion Canvas stuff was very rough and unedited, unscripted. This Git content is going to be very polished, using Motion Canvas for the animations, and very well done. I'm working on the first video currently. I'm hoping to have it released out by next week, and every week after, having a new video on Git. We will see how far I can get with that. I was hoping that, well, in the last video, I talked about, in the weather preview video, I talked about the that there is a merge request for programmable sounds for Motion Canvas right now that's being worked on, and I was really hoping that I could utilize that in my videos. But unfortunately, it doesn't seem like that's the case, so I'm going to have to figure out something else to do with the audio. But I'm going to work on some very polished Git videos, so stay tuned if you are interested in that. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned. After that, I'm planning on doing a Node.js series, and then I'm planning on doing other series from there, from what seems like a natural progression. So someone could start with my channel, watch the first series, watch the second series, and as they grow, they're learning how to be a professional developer and everything in between. Every now and then I might release another video on cybersecurity, crypto, whatever you name it, and go from there. Maybe I might have a learning tree on my website. Speaking of my website, it is, if I can switch over to it real quick. Wrong video, wrong screen. We have tomcotech.io. And then if you go to guides, motion canvas, here are all the projects. So the first one was gears, then API calls, then weather preview. If I scroll all the way down to the bottom, you can see where I talk about programmable sounds right here. So this is the whole thread on programmable sounds that I mentioned about. And eventually I'll have programming languages here. You can see Node.js is in progress. I'm going to have another section here called concepts in the future, or something else I'm going to call it. And grow the channel, grow the community. This means a lot that you all have made it this far in the video, in the series, in this course. So thank you so much. And let me go back to... There we go. And yeah, so glad that you've stayed tuned. I think that's it. So thank you so much, and stay tuned. It means a lot, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.